As you can see, this is EA1000F2 outdoor advertising LED display. It's a fixed outdoor display made for commercial buildings, roadside billboards, and large digital signage. It comes in 7 configurations with pixel pitches from P2.97 to P10.42 and brightness ranging from 5000 to 6500 ct per square meter. The LED modules can be installed and removed either from the front or the back of the cabinet. This dual-sided maintenance design lets technicians choose the best methods based on the site conditions, which makes things a lot more convenient. There is also a safety cable behind each module, giving you extra security during installation and service. The rear cover of the EA1000F2 has a snap lock design. So you can open it quickly whenever you need to go maintenance. Inside, the fan and aluminum casing helps keep it cool and improve heat dissipation. The EA1000F2 comes in 6 different sizes to choose from. You can mix and match them based on your needs, and you can even create curved corners and right-angle corners.